Have you ever noticed this? You've been putting in the effort, massaging, lifting, gua sha, facial rollers, you're doing everything, but your face still seems to be slowly sagging. If that sounds familiar, today's video might completely change how you understand facial aging. Because 90% of people skip the most important step when it comes to anti-aging. Most people start directly with a face, trying to pull everything upward. Have you ever thought about this? If the structure itself is unstable, what exactly are you lifting? After 40, facial aging is never just about losing skin. It's about loss of support, positional changes, and reduced tension. If you skip support and go straight into lifting, you are essentially putting on a structure with no foundation. It's like a tent. If the ground stakes are loose, no matter how much you pull up the fabric, it will still collapse. So the step that 90% of people skip is actually this: stability. It's not that you're not trying hard enough, it's that the sequence is wrong. So what is stability? In structural anti-aging, stability doesn't mean staying still. It means building the body's ability to support itself. This support comes from 4 layers. First, lower body stability, the feet, the pelvis, and your center of gravity. This is your foundation. Starting as early as your mid-30s, building lower body strength and balance becomes essential. If someone has been consistently active since a young age, strong structure from bottom to top, chances are they look at least 10 years younger than their peers. You will probably see people like this around you. But even if you are in your 40s, 50s, 60s, or beyond, it's not too late to start. It's not about intensity, it's about finding the right movement for your body to progressing step by step. The body can be opened and restored. From the head to toe, every muscle and joint can be reactivated. That's why you will see people in their 60s, 70s, even 80s who move better than younger individuals. Second, core stability. This allows force to transfer from lower body upward without breaking in the middle. When you strengthen this system, you improve circulation and overall structure integrity. Many people think core just means abs, but that's a misconception. A true core is a full 360-degree system around your torso, including your back, side body, diaphragm, and pelvic floor. Its role is not just aesthetics. It stabilizes spine, protects the lower back, and improves overall control. From a fascial perspective, a stable core balances tension around the body, reducing compensation and uneven loading. What we often see as sagging or folding is actually a result of shifts in fascia, muscles, and even bone alignments. Yes, shifts. Over time, gravity and poor structure create subtle misalignments. Restoring them means returning to your natural structure. This improves elasticity, coordination, and movement efficiency. From the circulation perspective, the core acts like an internal pump. Through breathing, intra-abdominal pressure, and pelvic floor coordination, it helps move blood and energy throughout the body, reducing stagnation and stiffness. So, in summary, core stability is not just about strength, it's the foundation of the structure and circulation. Core stability means balanced fascial tension and better internal flow. Third, head and neck stability. This determines how your face is supported. Many people don't actually have loose face, they have misaligned force lines due to poor structure. If you notice the looseness in other parts of your body, it's often not just the aging, it's actually good news because it means it can be improved. Understanding your body is the first step to reversing it. Fourth, mid-face anchor stability. This mainly refers to the zygomatic arch, one of the most important structural support points of the face. It determines whether your face can hold itself. Now, you might wonder, if it's just a bone, how can it help stabilize the face? This is where coordination comes in. The zygomatic arch works together with muscles, fascia, and overall structure. This is also why it's one of the hardest areas for people to understand. If you only look at the face, it seems like There are not many muscles to train. That's exactly why this step comes last, because it requires full body coordination, not isolated effort. Traditional Chinese medicine understood this thousands of years ago, with the principle treating the upper through the lower. Modern research about myofascial meridians in Western science now provide a more detailed explanation of this whole-body connection. In simple terms, we must see the body as both a whole system and a detailed structure. As a whole, everything works together: bones, muscles, fascia, circulation. But at the same time, we must address specific structures: each joint, each muscle chain, range of motion, each movement pattern, and the fascia lines. When those four layers are established, facial lifting finally has a structure to support it. The force lines naturally move upward. It's not that lifting is wrong, it's doing it without support that's the problem. If you haven't done the structural assessment yet, start there. Understand your type before you train. When the sequence is right, your effort finally accumulates. It's not that you can't do massage or lifting, but you need to prepare the structure first so the results can last. Now, let me show you a very simple exercise. Do this first, and then do your usual massage or lifting, and compare the difference. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, tongue resting in the roof of your mouth, chin slightly tucked back to stabilize your neck. Lean your body slightly forward and place your weight on the front, 1/3 of your feet. Then open your chest. Inhale to expand. Exhale to relax. As you exhale, gently engage your core. So while opening your chest, you're actually doing diaphragmatic breathing. This simple movement has several key benefits. First, it activates deep core muscles, building support from inside instead of relying on surface compensation. Second, it improves your breathing from shallow to deep, enhancing oxygen use and circulation, creating space for upward energy flow. Third, it opens the chest and improves posture, reducing forward head and rounded shoulders, bringing your neck and facial alignment back into position. Fourth, it reduces downward gravitation pull. When the body is open and extended, the pressure on facial soft tissue decreases. Fifth, it enhances the body's overall tension system, helping fascia shift from the loose state to one that is elastic and supportive. Once your core engaged and your body's force lines move upward, your face no longer needed to work so hard to lift. When you then add massage, lifting, gua sha, or rollers, you will find the results are easier and more stable. If you are already doing facial lifting exercises daily, try adding this simple step before you begin. Spend just 5 minutes activating your core, opening your body, and improving circulation. Then move into your facial work. Stick with it for a month and observe the differences. Often, it's not about effort, it's about sequence. And I'd love for you to share your experiences with me, whether it's positive changes or challenges. I will use your feedback to keep refining methods that work best for you. For now, I will guide you through this foundation exercise. Once we complete the 7-day series, I will share more progressive routines. If you don't yet know your structural type, check the assessment in the description first. Understand the problem before you try to fix it. And remember this, it's not about force, it's about the direction. If this video helped you, leave a comment and let me know what you are experiencing or struggling with. I will break it down in upcoming videos. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the steps that actually work. I will see you in the next one. Stay aligned and don't waste your effort.